Another important tool in Affinity Designer is the pen tool to create a curve. If you click the pen tool, we have a settings here that I explained. First, fill tool. It means if you create a closed curve, it's filling its inside, but for creating curve, we need a stroke color. You can click and choose a stroke color that you want. For example, I'll choose this color for stroke. Then you can choose the width of that. Then you can create your curve. This is our artwork board and we want to create. First, you have to choose the mode. Which mode do you want to create? We begin from the line mode. Line mode. Just click and then another click and finish. You can go to the stroke and directly choose the width from here. I explained them before. Just another in a stroke panel from here or from here, we have a pressure properties. If you click on it, we have a open box. As you can see, this is a curve from start to the end of this curve. You can simply click and drag and change the width of start and end, or you can just click in anywhere in a profile and you can directly control the width of your pen with this curve here. It simulates the pressure tablets actually that you can draw. Interesting. Or you can save your profile like this. I want this, just click and drag. Simple. You can save your profile or reset it if you want. Very simple. And then you can save your profile as a saved profile here. And then you can come back and use it again. Simple. Okay. So you learn you can simulate pressure with that. Then reset. And you are saved profile here and you can delete it if you want. So this is first mode. Second mode is polygon mode. You just click and it's continue the drawing lines, but it's in polygon mode. Another mode is smart mode. Just click, escape to end, click. And as you can see, this is a smart mode. We can click and drag. You can understand which position do you want to put another point. This is a smart mode. It doesn't have any tangent handle here. If you go to the, for example, node tool, you can completely control it. And after that, you can control the handle tools. When you create, you don't need to define a tangent. But if you come back and go into the pen mode, so actually pen mode, you have to first click and drag. So escape to, let's delete all of them. You can click, then click. We have polygon mode. This is in pen mode. In this mode, we have 2 mode. Polygon mode combined with a tangent mode. When you just simply click, it creates a polygon. When you click and drag, as you can see, we drag and tangent handles. And then the second click, it will be create another tangent for you. Then click and drag. And after that, you can come back and modify this tangent. With this tangent, you can holding Alt and break the tangent. Holding Alt to break the tangents. Nice. This is a tangent mode to pen. It's very simple. This mode preserves selection when creating new curve. Let's delete that and see what happened here. For example, in a pen mode or in a smart mode, we just create simple in a smart mode, we don't need to create a curve. Another different between let's delete smart mode and the tangent mode is this. For example, in the tangent mode, we create click and drag, escape. Going to the smart mode, make sure it is deselected. Smart mode, click, and click. When you go to modify that, for example, when we move this part, as you can see, whole curve will be affected from this moving. But if you go into the this mode, as you can see, just this part of the curve will be moving and other curve will be maintained. So this is main difference between smart and tangent mode. If you change the tangent handle, you can change the curve of all curve position. Come back to the pen tool. Let's try that setting. Okay. With the smart mode, I create a simple closed object. And as you can see, if I want to create another curve, as you can see, it's create another curve, but the first curve will be deselected and you cannot see the points. For example, I want to snap. I will be explain all of these snaps when I explain the notepad. You can refer to previous lesson. Please go there. I don't want to explain all of them again. And as you can see, I cannot define the points and I can't snap to the points. Again, if you delete this and select it and go into the pen tool and activate preserve, it maintains the selection when creating new curves. It does not turn off all of this selection. Create new curve, boom. And as you can see the selection and then you can decide to snap to that. So we see the points. It's preserved to selection when creating new curve. It's very simple. So I like it. Add a new curve to the selected curve. Let's delete all of them. When I create curve, for example, going to this one, point, another escape to deselect, another curve, and as you can see, it's creating new curve. But if you select it and add a new curve to the selected curve, if you select, and as you can see, I think it's add a new curve to the selected curve object. This is our object, and we escape or we select again. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working, but when you activate it in this page and select the previous curve, and when you draw a new curve, and as you can see, it added to this curve. It does not calculate new curve. I don't know, sometimes it has a bug, but it's there. It does not create a new curve layer here. Okay, another setting is interesting one. Rubber band mode. If you create, as you can see, you cannot see the silhouette or the ghost of your drawing to where do you want to position it. But if you activate that, and as you can see a ghost or silhouette of your curve. It means if you, for example, click here, your curve will be created in this position. Boom. And it's very useful to use. Sometimes you don't need to do that. Sometimes it's very useful. So it's a rubber band. It gives you ability to recognize your curves that where it will be created. Nice. And escape to end it. And I explained it before. For example, here you can come back and Sorry, we are in a mode. We have to come here and select it, and then here you can convert it to the sharp, convert it to the tangent, and convert it to the smart mode. If you convert to the smart mode, you can see it like this. And split curves, break curves, close curve. I explained them, all of them before. Here we have all of them before in a node tool. You can refer to them and use them in a pen tool. The pen tool and node tool is the same. They are like them. This is for editing point. This is for creating point. And that's it. It's a pen tool. It's very easy, and you can create your own design. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.